Today is going to be epic. So you're probably wondering why I'm on this plane. I'm on this plane because I'm going to shoot a video of my pastor in Florida. We made it to Florida. We're here. I'm here in front of this plane, and I was thinking while I was on the plane, if you want to go a great distance fast, you have to go up. And I was thinking, I want to take this vlog to the next level fast, and I want to take it far, so I gotta go up. I gotta go to the next level. So here in a couple of weeks, real soon, you're gonna be seeing some different stuff on this channel that's really gonna make it different. Hold on. Sorry, there was a mosquito on me. These mosquitoes here in Florida are crazy. Gonna be shooting Pastor Ron while he's preaching. It's gonna be amazing. We're here. We made it to the church in Florida. We're about to go out. Pastor Ron should be here in just a second.
And put him in an image of heaven called earth. And although he created Adam, and although he created earth, he wanted earth to be run like heaven without God himself having to physically be there. So he put Adam there to make sure that his territory extended into the earth, although God did not have to be there himself.
Alright y'all, we're getting back on the plane, headed back to South Carolina. We're leaving the swamps of Florida right now. It was an awesome night. Peace. Just got back to the office. It's like super late. My phone's dead, watch is dead, everything's dead. I'm charging everything up right now so I can go home. And so yeah, but it was a great day. I've never been to a city or another state and then back to my hometown in one day, so that was pretty cool. A little rocky on the landing here because of some crosswinds, but I ain't gonna bore you with all that. Listen, tomorrow's vlog is gonna be a little different. I'm going to a leadership training, and I'll try to show a little bit of that stuff, but leadership training probably isn't something that is very entertaining one to everybody enjoys, and so probably vlogging is going to be short, sweet, probably to the point, or we will do a lot more vlogging after work. We'll see what happens. Alright, I'm leaving the office. Would like to take this time to encourage you to subscribe to my channel and watch yesterday's video. Pretty awesome. 1 week of vlogging. But anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go because I need to get home and get in bed and get back to work around 8:30. So peace. That awkward moment when you forgot that your wife took the car home and you're stranded at work and have to call an Uber because she's probably asleep and you know not to wake her up. So yeah, Uber's on their way. I'm heading home now for real. But yeah. Hey, by the way, real quick before you go, tomorrow I have a huge announcement. It's gonna be epic. Peace.